How to recover a deleted Gmail account or Google account. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. Whether you deleted a Google account knowingly or unknowingly and don't know how to recover it, don't worry, we got you covered. So first thing first, open a Gmail app. Now here on top right hand side of your screen, you can see your profile icon, so tap on it. And then tap on add another account located on bottom of your screen. And then you will see this page, so here tap on Google. Or your mail isn't from Google, simply type whatever it is, either Outlook, Yahoo or whatever. So once you do that, you will see this page. So here, enter the email address that you have recently deleted. And once you type your email address, tap on next. And then you will see this page, account deleted. So basically what it says is the account was recently deleted and can be recovered. So here, tap on next. Now it will ask you for the password of your account. So simply enter your password. And once you enter your password, tap on next. Now tap on I agree. And your account will be successfully recovered. So now if I tap on my profile again, fully recovered my deleted account. So now to access it, simply tap on it. So this is how you can get back a deleted Google account. I hope you found this video helpful.